What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Speed Punk's garage. Today we're in Speed Punk's barn. Doing a little quick update. Just started the oil burner slash fire tube. Just started it up. I remember to bring out the temp gun so I can get an actual temp reading off this thing today. As you can tell, it's still cold. It's not even, I literally just started it up. So just wanted to see what this thing's gonna do. Gunner's out here today. It's pretty chilly out today. I got him in front of a heater until this thing starts warming up. I'm not doing a video about this. I just want to do an update on this while I'm out here working on the Honda. I got the Honda pulled in today. I got I wanted to do a video. I actually went out and bought one of these Ozone machines. There's a little Ozone machine. Got it off Amazon. And make a long story short, unfortunately, some mice made a nest in the trunk. Just a little nest, but it smells like mice pee, and I can't stand it. Now that when I ever drive this car, it just stinks. So I want to try one of these Ozone machines. So I took out the interior of the trunk, just took it out. As you can tell, I cleaned it, vacuumed it out, and shampooed it real quick. But I'm going to try one of these Ozone machines. So that's what this video is. I'm just going to do a review real quick on this Ozone machine, hooking it up, and go over real quick on how to do the Ozone machine inside the vehicle. If somebody's never done one before, I don't know. I didn't really see too many videos of these Ozone machines inside a vehicle, so I figured I'd test it out on the Honda. I figured it's a perfect candidate. 25-year-old vehicle. Might as well try it out. If there's any smells, why not try it out in the Honda? It's a great candidate. It's a great little car. It's reliable as hell. She's still on the road. Actually, this year she turned 25, so I was able to register her as a historic vehicle in the state of New Jersey. So she's still on the road. She's still kicking. She's obviously not my primary vehicle. She's like my a second or third vehicle at this point, but I still want to obviously take care of her and treat her right. As you can tell, the Cadillac's in here as well. She's winterized. Roadrunner still being worked on, obviously. So there's obviously multiple videos out for those cars too, but it's cold out, guys. I mean, let me show you. Yeah, we got about 24 inches of snow recently. It's chilly. It's like 16 degrees outside right now. So I'm keeping the barn door shut. The barn door shut. Like I said, I got Gunner in front of the heater, so he's trying to be warm. All right, enough jibber jabbering. Let's hook up this Ozone machine. Hey guys, so right out of the box, this thing's kind of heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's right on the thing, right off rip. Caution: use in unoccupied space only. There's like 7 different warnings about this. Even comes with a do not enter sign, ozone sanitation in progress. There's like a bunch of warnings. So make sure you use in an unoccupied space. It says it, right off rip. Don't use it while you're driving your vehicle. I mean, obviously you can't. It has to be plugged into a 120 anyway. But I mean, use common sense when it comes to this stuff. Apparently, this stuff, the ozone, whatever this stuff transmits or emits or whatever the heck it does, it isn't good for your respiratory system. Obviously, I'm not going to be in the vehicle while I do this. It's going to be a sealed. I'm going to close all the doors and plug it in, and me and Gunner aren't going to be anywhere near it. Hey, buddy, you nice and warm in front of the heater? Yeah, I got the heater set at 82, so he's nice and warm. Why don't you back up so everybody can say hi? Why don't you back up? Why don't you lay down? You got his bones. He's happy. Got your bone? Okay, anyway. That was the Gunner update. So, make a long story short, I'm going to obviously run a 120, throw it in the passenger side, and hook her up. I also picked up one of these Fram cabin filters too. These things are supposed to be pretty good too. A fresh breeze. Like I said, I want to do the entire, I'm going to rip the dash out and replace the cabin filter too. It just has it just has a rodent smell to it, which is unfortunate because this car was in such a decent shape, and now I'm so upset that that the freaking mice got to it. It wasn't bad. It was a little bit. I mean, it was like a like a football size nest in the trunk, and I didn't take any pictures of it. I obviously vacuumed it out, but it just sucks that they got to it. So hopefully this ozone machine does a good job, and that's kind of what this is about. So anyway, I just wanted to do that. I just wanted to show you the warning and information about that in case anybody was intrigued about one of these units. And if you never actually looked at one or ever actually seen one before. So here's my recommendation, guys. This is what I ended up doing. I have a extension cord reel, as you can tell, obviously. I don't even know what this one is. It's rated for 13 amps. It's just a generic one from Amazon. It was nothing fancy. 30 foot. So I ran it out. Obviously ran it to the passenger side rear. So I took the unit, put it on the back seat. It's hard to tell. I obviously got the door shut. I took the cup holder and I just folded it down, and I plugged the unit in. Turned the timer, like 3/4 of the way up. But I, plugged it in, and then I plugged in the extension cord. So I, am not anywhere near, the ozone when it comes on. Obviously, it's hard to tell, but yeah, you can see it. Boop, right there. The red light's on. So it's ozoning, doing its thing. Obviously, a car is pretty sealed, hence, it doesn't leak in the rain or anything like that, and keeps all the wind noise out. But even with the seals and all that stuff, I can still smell it. It does have a smell to it. It's hard to describe what kind of smell it is. It almost smells like like when you walk into like a hotel pool area or something like that. It's like a clean smell, which isn't bad. I mean, it's a lot better than mice pee, So I'm gonna let it do its thing. I mean, it's got a decent length timer on it. It goes all the way up to 180 minutes, and I got it set for like 150 right now. So I'll let it do its thing. I'm gonna leave it on for several hours. Like I said, this was kind of a multi-chore video. I'm out here in the barn doing some stuff, so I wanted to do the ozone machine. I bought that for this. Obviously, I bought all this stuff with my own money, nothing sponsored. Clearly, this is still a fresh channel. I don't have any sponsorships or anything like that. This is all my own money. I like to buy things, and I'll give you guys honest reviews on the stuff that I use. So that's kind of what I want to do with this channel. I want to use things on my own vehicles. If I like them, I'll let you guys know if this stuff works, and you guys can try to use it. Let's see. I had this running for maybe 15 minutes now. Obviously on the oil. Let's see if she's still burning. Oh yeah, she's still burning. My waste oil is obviously doing its thing, nice and hot. So, like I said before, I brought out my temp gun, so I want to see what this thing is actually doing. Yeah, like I said, guys, this waste oil, it burns pretty freaking hot. When I tell you that it ain't no joke. And like I said, I got this little fan that kicks out some heat. Yeah. Yep. People are like, yeah, wood burning's great. Look at that, 701 degrees. Okay. I told you these things get really freaking hot on this waste oil, and I can regulate it with the valve. So, like I said, this barrel's been on for 15 minutes. I got Gunner in front of an electric heater because my little puppy, I take care of my little puppy dog. I want him to be nice and warm when he's out here with me. He's got an 80-degree heater. I'll use the wood and oil burner for me. So to make a long story short, yeah, it's 16 degrees outside, guys. All right, right there, 16. With a low, it's obviously crappy out right now, and I have a temp in here. Temp, it's hard to see. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, it's 39 degrees in my pole barn. And that thing's been on for maybe 20 minutes. And I have a pretty decent sized pole barn, as you can tell. So the proof's in the pudding. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, like I said, I have a little tiny ass electric heater right here for the dog, but obviously that's not heating up my pole barn. So yeah, and when people are asking me about my barrel, I told you, these things work pretty good, guys. They heat up pretty decent space. And I forgot to put this in my video, in my wood burning stove oil conversion video. So like I said, this is kind of a two-part video because I'm out here anyway doing this with the Honda. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that as well. So, so that's it, guys. I'm trying to think what else I had. It's obviously still chilly. I mean, it's 40 degrees out here. Obviously, I got my coat on. I got my hat on. Obviously, Gunnar has his sweater on. But so, if anything else pops up, I'll let you know. Obviously, I'll give you a quick update at the end of the video on how this Ozone machine makes out because I just put it in. The video is not over yet. I just wanted to give you a quick update. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me see what else I got going on. I think that's it for now. I mean, that's it for me for now, but it would be instant for you guys. Well, instant for you guys. It has been like 3 hours for me and Gunnar. I put the do not enter sign on the door. I don't know. I got it. Might as well use it. So I'm gonna step back. Give it time. There we go. I got a thumbnail. Anyway. Oh, and no, yeah, we came back out. Aren't you excited? Let's take a look. Okay. Well, let's take a look at this. Yeah, double check, make sure this thing's off. Yeah, every light's off. All right, let's take this off. Take the box. I like the box on the roof for now. Let me open this thing. Take a good look at it. Yeah, I mean, it smells really good, actually. Wow. It's hard to describe. I wish they created smell-o-vision. It smells good, guys. I mean, this little thing, it did its job. It smells fresh. I don't know how else to explain it. It smells clean. It definitely smells like a clean vehicle. There is no smell at all of rodent or anything like that. Even the old vehicle smell. Even the trunk smells good. I was going to put it in the trunk for a little bit of time too, just because that's where the nest was over here in the corner, by the way, guys. Obviously, I had to put one of those baits in there to try to keep anything in there if it was still in there. But I'm impressed by this thing, man. I mean, I bought it, you know, just to try to keep. I mean, I want to shampoo the carpets and stuff too. I got an automotive shampoo, like a little one. But this thing's cool. I recommend it. If you have multiple vehicles, even if you have a single vehicle that maybe like somebody smoked in or something like that, this thing, it's worth an investment in my eyes. I'm definitely going to be, you know, I'm definitely going to recommend one of these. I mean, I don't know if this brand's good or not. This is just the one that I came across on Amazon, so I can't vouch for them for quality or anything like that, but I used it the one time in here and it worked really good and it smells good. Hopefully the smell lasts, and if not, I can use it again. Yeah, that's cool. I got the Grandpa Gus's mice packs in there to try to keep the mice away for the future. I should have done that to begin with. I didn't know, but now I know. Yeah, that's cool. I'm happy about that, guys. Like I said, it's a nice little car. I don't want to see it disappear and turn into a pile of crap filled with mice crap and piss. So, yeah, it smells good now. That's cool. All right, guys. So that should be it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to remember to put a link for that thing in the description. If there's any questions, I'll try to respond as quick as possible. I know there's been a little bit of a delay in videos for the past couple of weeks. We got hit with a pretty decent sized snowstorm. I actually just recently purchased a snowblower for a couple, like $50. I'm going to put on the channel. I'm going to rebuild that. So there's going to be a couple of videos coming out about that. Hopefully some more fresh content. Just miscellaneous things coming up. There's just a couple things coming up. Trying to think what else I got going on. Handful of ideas coming up. If there's anything that you guys can think of, I'm always open for some ideas too. But like I said, I'm just starting out. I just like filming the stuff that I do daily, guys. That should be it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate everybody that currently is subscribing. You know, I'd like to get some more subscribers just because I like the content to be better. So if you know anybody who's interested in this type of content, let them know. I'd appreciate it. That should be it, guys. Have a good one. Oh, before we go, let's say bye to Gunner, because you gotta recognize a puppy dog. I mean, he's 80% of the channel. I'm only 20%. Say bye-bye, puppy dog. Say bye-bye. You ready? You wanna go inside and have yummies? Yeah, he does. He's going. He's like, all right, let's go. You ready? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right. He's good. He wants to be in his heat.